In this video, we'll take a look at the real benefits of SAP Fiori. SAP Fiori offers numerous advantages for working with the SAP system and represents an important step toward modern, user-friendly enterprise software. The goal of Fiori is to simplify the use of SAP applications and present business processes in a clearer way. A key advantage of SAP Fiori is its role-based user interface. In the classic SAP graphical user interface, users often access functions via transaction codes. In Fiori, however, applications are organized by role and task. This ensures that each user group sees exactly the apps relevant to their daily work. For example, a buyer sees applications for purchase orders or suppliers, while sales focuses on different functions. Another advantage is the modern and intuitive user interface. Fiori is based on current design and usability standards. Applications are clearly structured, utilize tiles, search fields, and filters, and enable a clear presentation of information. This allows many tasks to be identified more quickly and processed more efficiently. Flexibility in use is another major strength of SAP Fiori. Since Fiori is web-based, applications can be accessed via a browser on various devices. In addition to traditional desktop computers, access is also possible via tablets or smartphones. This facilitates location-independent access to SAP functions. Another key advantage is the improved overview of information and key metrics. Many Fiori apps offer graphical representations, filtering options, or interactive dashboards. This allows data to be analyzed more quickly and decisions to be made more easily. In addition, Fiori enables faster navigation within the system. Instead of having to memorize long transaction codes or search through menus, applications can be launched directly from the Fiori Launchpad. Frequently used apps can also be customized or saved as favorites. Another advantage is that Fiori does not replace existing SAP processes, but rather complements them. Many applications continue to access the proven logic of the SAP system in the background. This allows companies to use modern user interfaces without having to completely overhaul their existing processes. In summary, SAP Fiori offers a modern, role-based, and user-friendly interface for the SAP system. Through intuitive apps, flexible usage options, and a clear presentation of information, Fiori supports more efficient and enjoyable work with SAP applications.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.